This story dates back to the time when King Brahmadutta ruled the city of Banaras. He had four young princes. These young princes had grown up hearing many wonderful stories about a beautiful tree known as the redbud tree. They had never seen the redbud tree and wished to be the first one to see it. One day, driven by his curiosity to see the tree at the earliest, the eldest prince asked the king's charioteer to take him deep into the woods where that tree grew. It was still very early in the spring and the tree was standing as a bare stump of wood in the forest devoid of any leaves or buds. The prince failed to understand why it was known as the redbud tree and returned back to the palace. Sometime later in spring, the next prince requested the king's charioteer to take him to the redbud tree. At this time, the tree was covered with bright red buds and looked very beautiful. The third prince went into the woods just after the springtime. Now tree did not have any red buds but was covered with lush green leaves. He also could see no reason for calling it a redbud tree. The youngest prince also decided to go and have a look at the famous redbud tree. By this time, the tree was covered with little bean pods. When he came back from the forest, he ran into the garden where his brothers were playing and told them with much excitement.
I saw the redbud tree.
So, what is special about it? It is nothing but a dead stump of wood. What makes you say that? When I went into the woods, it was covered with hundreds of beautiful red buds. That is why it is known as the redbud tree.
I have also seen the redbud tree. It is neither a dead stump of wood nor covered with red buds. It looks like an ordinary tree covered with green leaves.
Brothers, all of you are mistaken, have just seen the tree. And I can say for sure that it is now covered with little bean pods.
The princes wondered that maybe the redbud tree was some mystical tree and appeared in different forms before different people. The king was overhearing their conversation. When they stopped talking, he came out and said,
My dear sons, all four of you have seen the same tree, but each of you saw it at a different period of the year.
The princes understood what the matter was and laughed at their naivety.